Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widyadana. Today I would like to explain about central nervous system. The central nervous system, or CNS, is the part of the nervous system that consists of the brain and spinal cord. The CNS, or central nervous system, is responsible for controlling and coordinating the body activity, including emotion, movement, and other bodily. And the spinal cord is the part of the central nervous system that connects the brain to the rest of the body. And for the function of spinal cord is transmit signal for the brain to the body, and the second responsible for the body reflex, and the third is regulate motor movement, muscle and sensory signal, feeling such as pain or touch. Protected by three layers of the meninges. The first one is telometer, heart outer layer, and arachnoid middle layer, and pia inner layer attached to the spinal cord. Sensory signal, and for the posterior nerve root carries sensory signal, and the anterior nerve root control movement or motoric. There is a protective fluid called cerebrospinal fluid or CSF that surround the spinal cord to prevent impact. The spinal cord structure consists of the perimeter in the center, which process information, and perimeter on the outside, which carry message from the brain. The brain is the main organ of the central nervous system, located inside the skull. It is the body's control center that processes information, regulates emotion, and coordinates all the bodily function. And then the function of the brain. Cerebrum, big brain, control thinking, memory, vision, hearing, and conscious movement. And the second, cerebellum, regulates balance, coordination, and fine movement. And then the third is brainstem, control vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Next, cerebral cortex is the gray outer layer of the cerebrum, and is made up of the millions of neurons. It is responsible for high-level function, and the function is control thinking, memory, and decision making. Processing sensory information such as sight, hearing, touch, and taste. Control conscious movement such as walking or talking. Divided is passed into lobes. And the first one is frontal lobe, the thinking, planning, and movement. And the second one is parietal lobe, processes of the sensory information. And the third is temporal lobe, hearing and memory. And the third is occipital lobe, visions. And the second is the encephalon. And the encephalon divided to thalamus and hypothalamus. What is the encephalon? The encephalon is the central part of the brain located between the cerebrum and the midbrain. Its two main components are the thalamus and hypothalamus. Parts include the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. And the function of thalamus is a relay center to the filter and pass on sensory information to the cerebrum. Plays an important role in consciousness, attention, and sleep. And the second is hypothalamus, regulates automatic body functions such as body temperature, hunger, thirst, and sleep phase. And then control the hormone system. So the pituitary gland plays a role in emotional response such as stress and happiness. Then brainstem. So the brainstem is the structure that connects the brain to the spinal cord. The disease that often occur in CNS is stroke, disruption of the blood flow to the brain that causes damage to the brain tissue. And the second is meningitis, and the infection of the protective lining of the brain and spinal cord, meninges. And the third is multiple sclerosis or MS, an autoimmune disease that may damage the protective Fourth is epilepsy, disorders of the brain's